Hello everybody, welcome back to Mini Minnow. So, some of you are probably aware that Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year is coming up very soon. And although I don't celebrate it that much, it was always kind of around me, especially in Indonesia where I grew up. And specifically this year is a very special year for me because it is the year of the dragon. A wood dragon, to be specific. And I was born in the year 2000 on the month of May, which means I'm also a dragon. A gold dragon, actually. And I don't particularly know what that means, to be honest, but I do feel special. So I wanted to do something to celebrate it, you know? And the plan is I want to make a artwork that I can hang up on the wall. Just something fun to paint to kind of celebrate the year of the dragon. And I don't know if I've said this in a previous video before, but I like my art to be functional. And I was thinking every day, I actually go to the gym these days, and I feel like I'm always looking around for my keys. So maybe I could make a little key hook? What is it called, Asher? Oh, key rack. But we'll know more once I create mock-ups, since y'all know how much I love mock-ups. So now I'm gonna go make some designs and I will see you in a bit. My boy. Say hi. Okay, so I spent yesterday doodling some little dragons. I just wanted to get used to like the shape of them because I don't really draw dragons that often. But yeah, it's just basically a bunch of doodles and little squigglies, you know? That's just what dragons are. And then a couple pages later, I made this, which is like a bigger version of my doodles, and I actually really like the vibe. It's like super cute and stuff, so it definitely fits with the aesthetic of my apartment. And yeah, I think like adding a lot of stars and like little cute doodly stuff around would definitely make it more me. But yeah, from the sketches you guys can probably tell the plan is to just like paint it on a piece of wood I have lying around because it is the year of the wood dragon, so I feel like it fits very well. And so I think I'm planning on taking some old chopsticks maybe and using them as like little hangers for my keys and other items. But I don't know what colors to use just yet, so I think I'm gonna go make a little mock-up on my iPad and then like do some different colors and we will ultimately choose a winner. Okay, so I spent some time messing around with different colors and stuff, and at the end I got stuck between these two and I literally could not choose. So I was like, oh my god, why don't I do a survey? So I went on Instagram and I asked you guys which one you like better, and there was an overwhelming support of the red one. So that is the one that we're gonna go with. So the next step is pretty simple. I think I just have to print out my doodle, like the outline of the drawing, and then figure out a way to transfer that onto the piece of wood because I do not want to have to figure out the proportions and stuff all over again. So, and then I'm gonna put on a primer. But yeah, you're gonna see all this, so see you in a bit. Okay, so before I can even start painting on this wood, I actually have to put some clear primer just to prevent weird stuff from happening to the wood or to the paint or to me. So I'm just gonna use a clear gesso or gesso, I guess so. And I hope it does not cover up my outline because it's quite faint, to be honest. So I've actually been pretty sick for the past couple of days. I still am a little bit sick, but I think I need to start making some progress. So today I'm gonna start painting, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna mix some colors. I want to play around with having like tiny bits of hue shifts and like textures, and I think I'm gonna do this by having like the red not be fully mixed, so that when I like pick it up it'll be like different shades every time I paint it on. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it might. So yeah, let's go squeeze some paint out. Okay, I realized I should have done the red last because the scalloped edges, like now I have to just be super careful when I like go around it. But I think now I'm gonna go start doing the yellow parts, and I'll try to be very careful where the two colors meet. If not, I'll probably just go over it again. I'll probably do that. I'm finally done with the dragon, and I was thinking, you know how the original design had like little stars and flowers and stuff? Well, I feel like that'll make it super cute, but in the background I want to add those like white outline clouds. Do you know what I'm talking about? Just like this. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Put them around the paint. So I love how the clouds turned out. I think they add a little bit of detail to a very detailless background. And I actually have these like gold silver star stickers that I bought for something a long time ago, and I was thinking it'd actually be really cute to put on here to add some like shine. So let me get that. So this is what they look like, and I feel like they would look super cute just like sprinkled on top, you know? I think I'm only gonna be doing the silver ones though, because I feel like, you know what I mean, like the gold kind of clashes hue-wise with the yellow. The stickers are kind of weak, like they might fall off, so I think I'm gonna wait a little bit before I glue them on, just in case when I start doing the little like flowers and painted stars that I want to move these around, it'll be a lot easier now than if I glue gun them and then I have to take them off. So I'm smart like that. As you can tell, I went a little crazy, but I feel like I'm crazy, so it fits. And I think the plan now is actually for me to drill some holes that are a little bit like diagonal, so that I can put the chopsticks a certain way that will like feel more like a hook than just like a jutting out piece of wood. And I think I'm actually gonna put a couple, so I'm gonna put one here and then maybe one here and then one here. But yeah, I feel like I should do this outside, but it's so cold. now that I have the holes, I have to figure out how to cut these. Thank you, Asher. And now all I have to do is just put some Gorilla Glue and then stick them in there. Voila! So I'm finally done with the dragon key rack, and yeah, it looks a little crazy. I think it's a little too like cluttered, but I don't know, I feel like it's giving me so. And I also love that it's like functional, that I'll be able to put my keys, you know, on these little things. And while drilling the holes for the chopsticks, I actually made these 2 holes on the top here so I can put screws in them so I can put them on the wall. So let's do that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like I didn't plan this out as much as I usually plan my other videos out, but I hope it still turns out well. And please let me know in the comments any other ideas, because for some reason I'm having a little bit of a dry spell with ideas. So if you guys can help me out, that'd be awesome. But yeah, I hope you all have a great Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.